Irish Viterbo.
Yes.
Ayan. Sophia Irish Viterbo.
I can show you.
Happy birthday, Jaira. I wish you have a good health. We love you no matter what happens.
Ayan, thank you. Sophia Irish Viterbo. Yun po. Yung next po natin ay si Mavic Silva. Ayan. May palakpak naman para kay Ma'am Mavic Silva.
Happy birthday, Jaira! You have all the blessings. You have all these wonderful family with you. Jaira, I treasure mo. Na, I know you have all these things. Kaya ang gagawin mo na lang, i-treasure mo, i-share mo yung blessings with others. I know lalaki kang mabait, tama, Jaira? And alam ko na pagpapalain pa kayo ng family ng Lord. Happy birthday, Jaira. And that's it.
May water ka. Tubig.
Okay, thank you so much once again for our Mavic Silva. Okay, so next naman po natin si Lilay Gagola. Ayan, parang medyo na-surprise si Ma'am ha. Hindi niya na-expect na ano po. Okay, so but then, tawagin natin once again si Ma'am Lilay Gagola.
Pinapost ko naman po minsan na. Birthday, Jaina.
Picture taking po.
Thank you po.
Okay, thank you so much po Ma'am Lilay Gagola. Next po natin si Danisha Core. Ayan, okay. So, classmate po siya ni Jaro. Very good, ha? O, di ba nakarating siya? Ayan, okay. So, Danisha, ayan. How about ikaw naman? Ano yung birthday message mo or birthday wish para kay Jaira? O, di ba talagang pinag-isipan niya talaga? Palakpakan naman po namin siya. Picture taking po.
Jaina, picture.
Ayan, okay. So, tingin po kay Daddy sa camera. Smile!
One more time. 1, 2. Okay. Everywhere.
Alright, thank you so much. Danisha Core. Okay, so next naman po natin, I think si Justin Harabejo. Palakpak naman para kay Justin Harabejo. Wow, ang pogi-pogi ni Justin. Ang proxy pa, ma'am.
Hi Jaira, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. I just want to give this to you last Wednesday, but mommy don't like. She said that I should bring it with you here today. So, happy birthday, baby. I know that you are naturally a kind and sweet little girl. So, I just wish that you grew up to be a thoughtful and caring like daddy, and sweet, sweet, hindi pa na sweet baby, brave and strong like mommy, okay? So happy birthday, I hope you are happy today. Happy birthday.
Good. Yeah.
Thank you.
near across you. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her.